This class has been through Katrina's tide, through walks for rights and rides for justice and pride, and through it all, we made it. This is not the end. This is the very beginning of the epic excellence of this class's tale. No, this is not the end. This is the very beginning. The very beginning of our lives as productive contributors to society. The very beginning of our lives as world changes yielding prosperity. The very beginning of our lives as pathfinders into unfamiliarity. Yes, we are at the very beginning of our lives, all of us, seemingly searching for definition. And Lord, the whole intuition bears this word about our fruition to me. This word that characterizes this diverse class of intellectuals and athletes, of poets and rappers, of visionaries and motivators. This word, of course, is the surmising word, great. And to you, my classmates, and my dear friends, I feel a great need to tell you that this is not the end. We will see each other once more. Yes, we will see each other again. Maybe that time will be tomorrow's